Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I'm so excited you're here. Today we have Birchbox. Birchbox. Let me tell you a story about Birchbox. Birchbox is a monthly subscription box that has recently revamped the way they do things, and now instead of getting 5 products, you get 6, and they say that they're going to use better brands, but because of that, they've raised the price to $15 a month, which now makes them comparable, not by choice, but by obviousness, to Allure. So we'll see how they compete with that. And after I opened last month's box, I decided I did not want Birchbox anymore. I decided I was going to go ahead and get rid of it, find something to replace it with, and move on with my life. 2 days. I lasted 2 days. And I was full of regret. I just knew that I didn't give them a good enough shot with the we're changing, we're revamping, we're redoing, and I wanted to give them another shot. So I signed back up. Well, here's the story. They're a monthly subscription box. You can get hair care, skin care, makeup, that kind of thing. It's $15 a month if you order monthly or you pre-order 3 months. If you pre-order for 6 months and pay in advance, it's $14 a box. And if you pre-order for a year in advance, it comes down to $13 a box. But because I was already a member, I could have continued for the $13 a month. Those nice 2 days that I canceled made me brand new again. So now I pay $15 a month. I didn't order a year in advance because I'm still working on a trial basis with them, so we'll see how they do. But they have added new ideas that I really like. You can be completely surprised. All of your items can be a surprise to you. They send you an email where you can choose one of several items, and then all of the rest of your items are a surprise to you. Or they have curated boxes now. I think this month they had 4 curated boxes, and I chose and got the one that I wanted that was Fun in the Sun. So I kind of like that. And it gave me the option of choosing things that I found more applicable in my life. So we'll see how it goes. But when you open up the new box, it's so much easier to open. The old Birchbox, you had to peel, and you had to get your nails under. And this is just doop doop, and it comes right open like every other subscription box that we receive. I feel kind of like I've been tricked. This is just a Birchbox, and inside it is the regular Birchbox that I was just bragging about not having to open, and now I'm super sad. Why is it in this box? It's in this box because my one handsome reward for having quit and signed back up was I got a pair of Bombas socks. I've heard really great things about them, and I probably won't wear them until winter comes, but I thought, okay, fine, I'll try a pair of socks. But that's why it was in that other fancy box. I was so excited for a minute there. Oh. Okay, well, this is the box I was talking about that you have to pull all. Okay, one good one. Let's see. Let's just do this like we're playing the. Exactly. Let's try this one. Come on. Almost made it. Okay, so now I just have to work this front one out. Oh, let me try from the other side. Oh, it's looking good. Success! So, Birchbox. And this is the new Birchbox box, which was another thing they changed. I don't know if they're going to stay with it, but I kind of hope that they do because it's so cute. It's a drawer box. So it's just a cute little box that you can pull out the drawer on. How cute is that? And if they continue to do them, I mean, this is nice enough to maybe set on your vanity or maybe somewhere where you keep things that you want easy access to. And you could, in theory, stack them if it's a trend that they continue. So you open it. And the first thing I have is, this is not a beauty box. This is not a beauty box. Okay, let us explain. Well, let's see if they can do it succinctly. It's a really long story, and I, in the end, not real sure why it's not a beauty box. So, it's a beauty box. All right, we have another paper. Be good to you. Self-care is different for everyone. What's important is finding what matters to you. Take a walk around the block. Treat yourself to a workday breakfast out. Moisturize your hands. There are many things there that make me happy. And then we have our box of goodies. And another piece of paper. Birchbox, just for subscribers, $20 in loyalty points for every friend you refer who joins. I will put my link below. If you would like to join, they would love to have you. I would love to have you join through me. It's entirely up to you. Like I said, they're in flux. This is a great box. I love the box. I think I like what's in it because I remember when I chose the box thinking, hey, these are things I really like. The question is, as always, is it a $15 box? Let's see what we think. First, I have the number 4 High Performance Hair Care Sugar Texturizing Spray, and this is an ounce. This is not a new brand to them. I have received other hair products from them, and I will tell you, I like this brand, and I have used the other hair products that they have sent to Gone because I love their scent, their smell. They usually smell so great, and a sugar texturizing spray, that's fantastic. It helps transform limp, lackluster strands into loose waves of soft, velvety texture with a sweet blend of sugar for flexible styling aids. I have to tell you, I laughed because there's just not much. I don't use a straightener. This is my hair. And there's just really nothing out there that turns this into beautiful waves. But I will try, and I will eat my hat and come on here mea culpa if I am wrong. Next, I have a They're Real Benefit Mascara. I enjoy mascaras. I enjoy trying new mascaras. I actually think I have one of these already to try, but my daughter loves the Benefit Mascara, so that's an easy pass along if I have extras. So that's a great product. Next, I have the No Problem Priming Water. Oh, I just got a full size of one of these. I just did my Boxycharm unboxing, and there was a full size of one of these. So this is 0.2 fluid ounces. I just happen to have my Boxycharm right here. Let's see what a full size one is. Full size is a 1 fluid ounce. So this is 1/5 of a full size. And the full size is, this is handy dandy, $23. So 1/5 of that. So this is a little more than $4 worth of product. Is that right? I think that's right. It's like I'm a math whiz today. But this is the No Problem Priming Water. And I will save this for travel because if I like it, oh, it's easy to get 1 drop out of 2. Yep, feels exactly the same as the other. It's just wet and it blends right in. It has almost no smell. Like I said when I did my Boxycharm, it has a little bit of slip to it, but it dries down and you can feel it absorbing like an essence would, and I really like it. So I'm happy to have that for a travel size. I have the Kula Classic Body Sunscreen in Tropical Coconut. And like I like to say, if you watch my channel, you know I am nuts about coconut. This is a 0.34 fluid ounce bottle. So I suspect, let me see if I can hold it up to the light. Yeah, it goes to about here. So it's not you might get your body done once with this outside. What has a safety seal on it? Well, we're taking it off because we want to know how good that tropical coconut scent is. Okay, got that off. Let's see. Oh, well, and I've just wasted half the tube trying to find a scent. Well, that's okay. I might be going out this afternoon. Can always use more. Oh, it smells like summer. It's kind of a cross between like a copper tone and just, oh, yeah, let's use that so it doesn't go to waste. It's kind of a cross between a copper tone and just a pure coconutty smell. Not coconut like coconut water, like, you know, but coconut like we've made this smell like coconut, but it's okay. It's still not offensive. Oh, it smells so good. Love it. I have started using the Kula products. We received, I know you're going to be tired of hearing about my other boxes. We received the Kula setting spray with the SPF 30 in it in our FabFitFun box. And when I sprayed it in my unboxing, it literally caught in my throat. I thought, oh, I'm going to hate this product. When I have used it a couple of times since then, and I just hold my breath, spray it, obviously exhale, and in the time that it takes to spray it and then exhale before I breathe in again, dissipates. Easy peasy. Doesn't have any residual smell that I find, and I am loving it. I cannot get enough. I mean, I am I can't get enough suntan lotion. I will put it on and put it on. Next, we have the Oribe. That's how I choose to say it. Everybody says it differently. I like Oribe. How would you say that? O-R-I-B-E. Balm d'Or Heat Styling Shield. I love the Oribe products. I've tried their Super Shine. I've tried some of their Texturizing and their dry shampoos. I have used so many of their products and love each and every one of them. They are a pricey brand, so I'm happy to have this, and it feels very full. Uh-oh, I smell like coconut now. Oh yeah, but you can still smell it, Oribe. I love that it leaves my hair smelling like this. The Super Shine moisturizing that they send out, love it. This says that it is for, this just says that it's a heat styling shield. So it's just a good smelling heat styling shield, and can never have enough of that. Last but not least, we have a Jouer long wear lip topper. I know, this is not going to be believable to you guys. I don't think I've ever owned a Jouer product. I know, it's true. This is a, wow. This is the box, real basic box. This is what she had inside. Can you see? It's all sparkly and shiny. It has an odd, I wonder if it stacks with something else. It's interesting packaging. This is tan lines. That's awesome. Oh, Rachel on one of the channels that I follow said, oh, well, at least now I'll have some tan lines. Yeah, me too. It is brown. You know what? Let's just put it on here. It is very brown, but I think this is my last video for the day. So let's just put this on here. Oh my goodness gracious. I really hope you guys can see this. It is kind of, I'm coming in closer. It is kind of goldy, bronzy. I really hope you guys can see. That tastes delicious. It's one of those ones that tastes like a cupcake. I'm looking in the mirror down here, which is what there's something about it that makes me think, that is over the top. I will never wear that. And there's something else about it that makes me think, I like it. It's real bronzy, and I kind of like it. If you can see it, what do you think? Is it too over the top? I mean, it is metallic. I hope you're getting that. It is metallic. Let me show you. Let me see what it does on my hand. Tell you, I think it looks more metallic on my lips, probably because of how much I used, but that's it on my hand. Boy, it said lip, right? It didn't say eye, right? Nobody panic. Hold on. No, it said lip topper. Well, once I saw it on my hand, that totally looks like an eyeshadow, guys, does it not? Okay, it's fine. Did not put eyeshadow on my lips. So that is my Birchbox. I think that was a fun month. Is it worth $15? That's always the question. That's why I canceled. That's why I resubbed. Is this comparable to Allure? It is not. Does that mean that it's not a $15 box? I don't think that it does. I think it means that Allure does, for a $15 box, a really great job. But that doesn't mean that this isn't a good box. I have this nice Tan Lines Jouer lip topper, which I like a lot and is not an eyeshadow. I have the No Problem Water Essence that I got the full size one of in Boxycharm, and I think I'm gonna like, and that's gonna be a great travel size. I got some They're Real mascara from Benefit, and who can't use more mascara? I have the Oribe Heat Spray, and this sounds and feels really heavy and full. So I love a heat styling spray, and the Oribe products, I love them. And I've managed to always have one in my rotation without having to buy any yet. I have the Kula coconut cream, which is probably one use. I mean, when I get ready to go outside and I decide to do my body, this is probably a one-use try, but still cool. And I have this number 4 sugar texturizing spray it's gonna make my hair wavy. And I'm here to tell you, you can't put a price on that. If this can make my hair wavy, you can't put a price on that. It's absolutely a $15 box. So I think that it was fun. I love the new box style. I mean, that's so cute, right? So cute. Okay, enough waxing poetic about the Birchbox. I'm trying to make myself feel better for the fact that I had it for a lower price. I canceled it, and now I have it back for more money. That has to go down as one of my all-time whoopsie moves. So, thank you so much for coming by. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I put up more videos. And let me know, were you happy with your Birchbox? What do you think of the new style? She's so cute. Oh, and I received my socks. This is my consolation prize for paying an extra $2 for the rest of my life. Well, this probably covers, 4 or 5 months worth. See, I feel better already. Thanks for coming by, guys. I'll see you really soon. Bye.